Hey guys, it's me again, Melissa Mae, with Painting with a Twist, and it is September, and I'm excited about the falls coming up. Okay, so I'm gonna do another video, and I'm gonna try not to say as much as last time, and it's gonna be a little shorter. I'm gonna nip it in the bud. I'm gonna be doing these pumpkins. I'm teaching this on Saturday morning. Hopefully some people show up. I've already made some stencils. This is a pumpkin. And I have a hat as well. So I'm gonna start off stenciling that onto the canvases. Okay. I'm done stenciling. Now I'm going to get my paints ready. You're gonna need white, black, orange, yellow, and then whatever background color you want, which here it's green and a purple. Okay, so now we're gonna do the background. We're gonna start off with the background. For this one, it's a light colored green, so we're gonna use just the plain green, which if you just use the green alone, it's very see-through. So I always have the class add a little bit of white, which is opaque, and so you won't be able to see the strokes as well. And then the more white you add, the lighter the color becomes. So this, you could do whatever you want. You can have a bright green, but this particular painting has kind of a pastel green. We're gonna move to the pumpkin part. This part, we're just gonna use the orange and white. And I like to tell the folks to, yeah, there we go. To do the strokes in a curved manner. Not just up and down, but in a curved manner. Will give the illusion that this flat object is round, because pumpkins are round. But usually on Saturday mornings, it's kids, and sometimes the adults paint with the kids. But kids are awesome painters. They're so creative. Unless their parents end up painting their painting for them. You know who you are, parents. And then I'm gonna go back and do some white streaks. If you don't want the pumpkin to be so bright orange, this color's really bright orange, you could add a little bit of yellow. We'll give it a more of an orangey, a yellowy orange. I'm not a big fan of this color orange. It's very bright. Very bright. But I'm kind of nitpicking. This is supposed to be a kid's painting, really. Next, we'll move on to the hat. And I'm just gonna block down, instead of doing all the details and then painting around all the details, I'm just gonna paint the hat a solid black and then let it dry. We have blow dryers, so we have the kids usually blow dry the paint, and then add the detail on top of that. So this other pumpkin has a hat that has these star details on it. So remember I was saying you paint it all. I usually have them paint it all one solid color, and then you go back after that's dry and you add the details. But this one's got, I think it's supposed to be a play. I think it's supposed to look like Harry Potter, a Harry Potter pumpkin or a wizard. Anyways, I'm gonna have them, because it's a lighter color, and you usually paint lighter colors before you paint the darker colors, because it's just easier that way. So I'm gonna paint these stars before, and then paint around with the black. I might make a stencil for Saturday and do the whole, have them paint it black, and then they can do stencils if they want. These little stars, there's a lot of stars. Okay, so I've done all those details. Now for the Harry Potter one, a simple trick I have for the glasses is to trace a cup. And I'm gonna let them decorate it however they want. They don't have to make it, they don't have to do the glasses, and they can make the eyes however they want. I'm all about the creativity. I'm always excited when the kids especially do something different. I just kind of just put the paint on there, but I tell them that they can use chalk. Okay guys, so I've run out of storage on my phone and my phone is about to die. I hope you enjoyed this video. Here are the finished products. We got this little Harry Potter pumpkin and this beautiful Witchetty Witch pumpkin. I'll be teaching these Saturday. Fun for the kids and adults. I'll see you next time. Adieu.